The new Variable SmartCut feature is the first of its kind. Users can now set a precise level of motor load they want to use. At all times when SmartCut is on, the software will prevent the motor from stalling. The software does this by limiting the feed rate based on the preset motor load. The true value of this feature is that the user can decrease wear on the motor while maximizing feed rate and maintaining cut quality. The user can toggle SmartCut on and off on the main screen here. To access the Variable SmartCut menu, the user must go through the Cut Type menu. Here, the user can turn SmartCut on and off and, below, type in the level of protection desired. The higher the level of protection, the lower the motor load the machine can use. So level 100 protection is equivalent to 20% motor load, while level 1 protection is 80% motor load. In addition to protecting the motor, higher levels of protection can also increase blade life. Limiting the load on the motor will slow down the feed rate to be the maximum possible speed for the given motor load level. Lower feed rate levels will typically cause less wear on the blade, and especially in situations where a user is often cutting aggressively or is cutting hard or large samples, the savings can build up.